Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Hello. We are providing you with a recap of the ongoing Pi Network Hackathon today. Developers from all around the world will congregate at this event to compete in creating web applications for millions of consumers. The Pi Network community has an amazing opportunity to show off their talents and creativity while simultaneously advancing the Pi Network ecosystem at this hackathon, which features more than 600 teams and over 10 participants. We hope that this review clarifies the hackathon for you and motivates you to participate or keep up with it. Keep checking back for updates and additional details on this thrilling event. But first, let's do what we always do and say the standard disclaimer. You should always carry out your own study, consult with authorized experts, draw your own findings, and decide for yourself. I don't mean for anything I say in this video to be taken as professional or financial advice of any kind, it's just my own view. Not to mention that I personally own Pi coins and have a stake in the project's success, as you may already be aware. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more regularly updated stuff like this and give this video a thumbs up. With that said, let's get started. The development of online applications for millions of users is a fiercely competitive market at the moment for Bitcoin developers. With more than 1,600 teams taking part, this hackathon presents a sizable chance for the Pi Network community to show off their talents and originality while simultaneously advancing the Pi Network ecosystem. Be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications if you want to take part in the Pi Network Hackathon and create web applications for millions of users. You will be able to start working on your idea as soon as possible and stay up to date with all of the most recent hackathon news and updates by doing this. In my upcoming video, I'll walk you through the essential stages for getting started in the Pi ecosystem as well as how to start the hackathon and explore it further. If you adhere to the steps and continue to be subscribed and informed, you'll be well on your way to developing a successful web application for the Pi Network Hackathon. This will include instructions for setting up a Pi account, running the demo app code, and deploying your app to the Pi mainnet using the POS license. In order to start working on your project, remember to enable those notifications. You might be wondering what web applications are and why they are so crucial if you are new to the Bitcoin realm. The Pi Network is made more approachable and user-friendly for the general public through web applications, which are essentially software programs that can be accessed via the internet. Web applications can assist in bridging the gap between the technical capabilities of the Pi Network and the needs and interests of its users. These applications may take the form of a web-based wallet for storing and managing cryptocurrencies, a tool for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency prices, or something completely different. By creating online applications that are easy to use, safe, and helpful, the Pi Network community may contribute to increasing the adoption and usage of the Pi Network cryptocurrency. The benefits of creating more projects for the Pi Network ecosystem, however, don't stop there. There will be additional chances for people to interact with the Pi Network and utilize its features as more web applications for the Pi Network ecosystem are created. This can enhance user experience while also promoting the acceptance and use of the Pi Network cryptocurrency. The Pi Network community can also help the Pi Network become more competitive in the Bitcoin market and better able to meet the demands of its customers by creating a variety of web applications. As you can see, this hackathon offers developers a big chance to showcase their talents and originality while also making a contribution to the growth of the Pi Network. By creating online applications that are easy to use, secure, and beneficial, the community can raise the adoption and usage of the Pi Network cryptocurrency and make it more competitive in the market. We anticipate that this hackathon will encourage creativity and innovation in the local community, resulting in the creation of additional excellent projects that will enhance the Pi Network ecosystem as a whole. Are you interested in finding out more about the Pi Network Hackathon and the web applications the community is developing? Watch this space for updates. Why is this the fourth developer hackathon that the Pi Network core team has organized? It is only used to set up the cryptocurrency utility for the Pi Network. As I already mentioned, the goal of this hackathon is to develop a number of online applications that truly benefit consumers and encourage the adoption of the Pi cryptocurrency. What are the guidelines for taking part in this hackathon, before we get into the theme? The Pi Network Hackathon has a number of requirements that must be met in order to participate. The following requirements must first be met by participants. These guidelines are meant to ensure that everyone who participates has a nice and equitable experience, as well as to help the hackathon run smoothly and honestly. One of the primary guidelines for the hackathon is that teams can only have a maximum of 4 participants. Participants have the option of requesting to join other teams or inviting friends to join their team. Anyone from anywhere in the world is welcome to participate in the hackathon since it is an online event. The hackathon started on January 9th and will end on February 28th. Throughout this period, participants are required to work on their projects. Participants can only submit their projects more than once during the hackathon, with the most recent entry taking precedence. Except for those who choose to utilize the PO's license, which will be in the public domain for usage inside the Pi ecosystem, the intellectual property of the code and the final submission belongs entirely to the team. By participating in the hackathon, participants accept the terms and conditions of HackerEarth and agree to abide by all regulations set forth by the event's administrators. These guidelines have been put in place to guarantee a fair and pleasurable experience for all participants as well as to support the success and integrity of the hackathon. Social media, gaming, entertainment, consumer utilities, and open innovation are the 4 divisions of the hackathon. Developers are urged to create straightforward, user-friendly apps that make it easier for people to utilize the Pi cryptocurrency in order to meet a real user need. What does this hackathon cost? 3 runners-up will each earn $2,000 in addition to the $15,000 cash prize for the hackathon's ultimate winner. 4 winners with specific themes will also receive $1,000 apiece. The hackathon also has milestone rewards in Pi cryptocurrency for teams who successfully complete specific challenges, a $5,000 prize for the winner of the VC judging, and more. The Pi Network Hackathon awards teams that successfully complete particular objectives with milestone rewards in Pi cryptocurrency in addition to cash prizes. These accomplishments can be as basic as creating a Pi account or going to workshops, or as sophisticated as installing a fully functional program on the Pi main network while utilizing the PO's license. 100 Pi are available for milestone rewards in total, which is more than 290 days worth of mining at the current base rate. The hackathon's participation and engagement might rise thanks to milestone awards, which are a great method for teams to receive additional compensation for their work. By reaching these milestones, teams can show their development and ability while also picking up new skills and methods that they can apply to other projects in the future. We appreciate you watching this video on the Pi Network Hackathon. We hope that after learning more about the occasion, you are eager to go. Please leave any queries or remarks in the space provided below in the comments section. We would be delighted to hear from you, and we will try to address any queries you may have. For the most recent hackathon news and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. The Pi Network is committed to encouraging creativity and innovation in the neighborhood. Developers have a fantastic chance to showcase their skills and advance the Pi Network ecosystem during this hackathon. The Pi Network community as a whole stands to gain from the development of additional excellent projects as a result of this hackathon. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the hackathon.